Claire! Claire! Huh? Claire! Claire! Yes, Ellie. Today's the day. What day? It is the day for us to go back to school. It's been a month since we went back to school. Go get ready. Okay. What clothes to wear? How about this one? Yes. Perfect. Now I should probably do my hair. Bye, Ellie. I'm going to the bathroom so I can do my hair. Bye. Time to go get my hair done. Yeah. Hey. Hi, Ellie. I'm about to do my hair. What are you doing? Well, obviously I'm doing my hair too. Oh my gosh, I want to do this hairstyle. Okay, now time to do my makeup. There we go. Perfect. Ellie probably went to breakfast. I better go catch up with her. Oh, that girl was super pretty. I wish I could be her one day. I wish. A yummy strawberry smoothie. Ellie, where are you? I'm getting my food. Okay. I miss Sophie. I miss Dad. I miss my family. I remember Sophie used to always give strawberry smoothies, even during dinner. You know what? I'm gonna go back tonight. Tonight is going to be the night I go back home. Oh, hey, Ellie, where's your food? Well, the thing is, I went up to the thing, and then they said they were all out of the food I wanted. And then, when it came out, it was burnt and disgusting, so I made them remake it. And then they said they were out of business because it is not breakfast anymore. Wow. Well, anyways, I'm going to a party tonight. Oh, can I come? Oh, that's a no then. Okay. Well, I'll just stay home and organize my dorm. Okay, bye. Bye. Okay. Can't wait to see Sophie and Dad. Okay, just put my stuff in the bag, then get more clothes, then put it back in the bag. Hey, I heard you were talking about packing. Oh, yeah, we're just having a sleepover after. Not suspicious at all. Do you need help talking? No, not at all. I just get a little nervous when my friends are going to sleepovers because I don't want them to, get kidnapped or something. Trust me, I'll be fine. Okay. Bye, Royal High. See you in a little bit. Have to go back home for a little bit. Hey, this should be the way to home. Before I leave, I'm going to tell her the truth. Hi, Ellie. I am going home for 1 or 2 days. Sorry. I feel really bad. Ellie still hasn't responded yet. I hope she's not mad. Ding! What was that? Got a message. What did she say? Please say it wasn't mean. Oh yeah, I get it. You never liked me and I'm a terrible roommate. Bye. No! That's not what I mean. I'm just gonna step right up to get your chance at the wheel. Okay. How much will it cost me? It's free! Sorry, kid. You've already done it. What? I've never even been here before. Sorry, kid. Scammers. Here's the apartments. Bye, Ellie. Okay, I'm in the apartments. Ding! Text. Again? Oh, please say she's not mad. Here's my truth. I don't have any money, that's why I didn't get breakfast this morning. OMG, I am so sorry. I want to see my family. My truth is that, well, I ran away to Royal High. I ran away. She's still mad at me after that. I'm gonna be mad. Okay. Mom, their room is 506. 506. There we go. Now an elevator should arrive. Hi, guys. Hi, Claire. Why were you going to the bathroom that long? Your sister told me that you were going to the bathroom. Sophie? Yeah, she should totally explain. Hopefully Sophie doesn't get in trouble. Well, Dad, guess what? I went to Royal High. Huh? Yes, Dad, it's true, it's true, it's true. I went to Royal High and I made a friend. Oh, wait, I made a friend. Ellie still hasn't texted me back. I feel really bad. Sweetie, I was just afraid you wouldn't make a friend. You can stay at Royal High if you have friends, okay, sweetie? Yes. Thank you, Dad. Thank you, Dad. Wait a minute. Where's Sophie? Claire, you're back, finally. Hey, Dad, I do not know why she was going to the bathroom so long. Well, we're just glad you're back. Yeah. Hey. Oh my gosh, Ellie, what are you doing here? Just thought I'd stop by. Okay. Well, make yourself at home for a little bit. Okay. Oh my gosh, is this the new computer? Yep. Yeah. Yes, it just gave me 2,000 diamonds. I almost have enough to pay for my classes at Royal High. Hey, I know, we should have a sleepover. Yeah. Okay, I'll go get my PJs on. Time to get my PJs on. Time to take off my makeup. Okay, all my makeup's off. Time to go see if Ellie's done. Oh, Ellie. Call Ellie. Okay, so guess what? What is it? My dad signed me up for a pageant. Oh my gosh, which one? Valentina Divas. Oh my gosh, I go to that one every single year. No way! We get to do it together? This is gonna be awesome! Awesome! Yes! I can't wait. Yeah, well, it's only in a couple months, so we'll need to work on our abilities. But first, we should probably go to sleep. Good night, Ellie. Good night, Claire.